In this video, I'll guide you through how to get a background on Steam. Whether you want to give your profile a fresh new look or make it stand out from the crowd, adding a profile background is a simple way to personalize your Steam account. Follow along, and I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish. To begin, open the Steam application on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, download the latest version from the official Steam website before continuing. Once the application is open, click the Login button if you're not already signed in. Enter your account name and password, making sure everything is typed correctly, and then click Sign In. After a successful login, you'll be taken to the Steam homepage, where you can access your games, community features, and profile settings. Next, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile name in the upper right corner of the Steam window. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. Select View My Profile to open your public profile page. This is where you can customize how your profile appears to friends and other Steam users. Once you're on your profile page, click the Edit Profile button. This opens the Profile Customization menu, where you can change different aspects of your Steam profile. Look for the Profile Background section and select it. If you already own one or more profile backgrounds, they'll appear here, and you can simply choose the one you'd like to use. If you don't have any backgrounds yet, don't worry. Return to the top of the Steam window and click on Community, then choose Market from the drop-down menu. The Steam Community Market contains a wide variety of tradable items, including profile backgrounds available for purchase. In the Market search bar, type Background to narrow the results. Browse through the available options until you find one that matches your style. When you see a background you like, click on it to view more details. If you're happy with your choice and the price, click Buy and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the purchase. After the transaction is complete, head back to your profile. Click Edit Profile again, navigate to the Profile Background section, and you'll now see your newly purchased background available in the list. Select it, then click Save to apply the changes to your profile. And that's all there is to it. Your new Steam profile background is now active, giving your profile a more personalized and unique appearance. Feel free to explore different backgrounds over time to match your favorite games or your personal style. Thanks for watching, and enjoy customizing your Steam profile.